welcome back to my channel. How is everyone doing? I hope everyone is staying safe and just trying to maintain that whole social distancing type of vibe going on, making sure that you're washing your hands and keeping your hands sanitized at all times to prevent this whole COVID-19 issue. So in today's tutorial, I created this little look for you guys. It's not anything too fancy. It's a date night makeup idea. Typically this is how I would do my face if I'm just going for drinks or just to have dinner with the bae. So yeah, just before we get into this video, if you are new here, I just want to say a big welcome to you guys. I am Jordan. I create beauty and lifestyle videos as well as vlogs, and I'm at 400 subscribers. Yay me. We're not there, but we are somewhere, okay? And I'm so super thankful to have you guys here on this journey with me. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for being here with me. I really do appreciate it. And so yeah, let's just jump into this video, okay? I feel as if it's been a while since we've spoken. Have you missed me? Because I've missed you. My eyebrows, I did that off camera. I have 2 eyebrow tutorial videos. If you have not seen any of those, I'm gonna link them in the iCards above, so just be on the lookout for them. So we're gonna start by priming our face as usual, but before we prime, we're gonna do moisturizer. Alright, so for moisturizer, I'm using my usual Nivea Soft refreshingly soft moisturizing cream, and it has the jojoba oil and vitamin E, and we're just gonna place that on our face and our neck. Guys, the pandemic is still a thing, sadly. Even though there are a couple persons here in Jamaica, or a couple of companies here in Jamaica that has had to close down again due to their employees testing positive for COVID-19. However, I would love to hear from you guys as to what's happening so far in your area, where you're from. Are there any new developments? Is there anything that has happened? Are you currently under lockdown? Just typically anything that your government, if you're not from my area, which is Jamaica, I would love to hear from you guys. So now I'm gonna be priming my face with the Maybelline New York Baby Skin Instant Pore Primer. I feel like it's been a minute since I've used this. At my workplace, we still work on shifts, so we're not fully operational as yet. And I mean, I totally understand, and I totally agree with them not having everyone back at work as yet, because I mean, this thing is so crazy. I'm gonna go ahead and do my foundation right now before I get into my eyes, which is the part that I'm most excited about in this video. So for today, I'm gonna be using, of course you all know, my Maybelline Fit Me foundation. So I'm really excited for this date night makeup, even though I'm not really going on a date. To hear from you guys down in the comment section in terms of what's going on in your area. What do you think about this year? Because I mean, the year is almost through, and I mean, it's just a crazy year, to be honest. Personally speaking, it really is a crazy year, but I'm not gonna be ungrateful. There are still small blessings for myself personally that I am very excited about, which I will definitely keep you guys updated on that. And yeah, we just have to try to make the best of it, because clearly we're gonna have to live with this disease. So as crazy as it is, we really just have to try to see the good, or try to have good experiences on our own, despite what's happening in the world. So now I'm gonna be damping some of my NYX matte finish long lasting setting spray onto my brush to blend out my foundation. I cannot believe that I'm at 400 subscribers. Oh my god. Just the other day I started YouTube, and for it was a while since I got any subscribers, and I was like, oh my god, my channel isn't growing. What am I doing? What am I not doing? What do I need to do? But when you watch other people's video who are also new to YouTube, and you see them literally getting like no views even after 2 days, which I find is super crazy, you realize that this YouTube thing, it's not as easy as people make it out to be. If you don't already have a following on, like Instagram or Twitter, or you're already popular, it is hard. Okay, it is hard. So I'm giving thanks for small blessings. I'm giving thanks for small opportunities, and I'm just giving thanks for where I'm at right now, and I'm just looking forward to really just seeing what this whole YouTube thing holds. And the other day I was like thinking to myself, I was going through some old photos, and I was like, I'm glad I started. And the reason why I said that was because I'm just thinking about getting old, because I was looking at some of my my photos when I was much younger, and I was like, oh my god, just look at me. And to be honest, I'm really sorry I didn't start this earlier. But guess what? I'm not ungrateful, and things happen. Things take time, and you just have to go with your own progress. That's what I've realized over these past few years. But guys, I'm just super excited that I started YouTube, because one of my main reasons is that I can look back on it a few years from now and be like, oh my god, look at me at that age, I was doing this, or I was doing that, or just have like actual footage of you like talking about random stuff, or just doing random stuff. It just makes me so excited to just see myself in that light. So yeah, I'm just really excited, about what the future holds for me. And just as I said, giving thanks for small blessings and small So today we are doing something different. Today I'm gonna be blending out my highlights and my contour. Well, mainly my highlights with this. Oh my god! I tried it the other day because I was lazy and I couldn't go for a brush, and I actually liked it. It didn't turn out too bad, and so I was like, I'm gonna try this in a video. I think it was from my other channel. Yeah, guys, if you have not yet checked out the growth platform, you just need to stop. Well, after you finish watching this, and it's also in the description bar below. You need to go and check it out if you are looking for something just to motivate you and inspire you. That is definitely what that channel is about. Contour and highlight video for beginners. If you did not see that by some mistake, I'm gonna link it as well so that you guys can go ahead and check it out. I would love to also hear from you in terms of like what's going on with you. Do you have any plans for the rest of the year? What do you think next year will be like? What do you see us having COVID? Do you see a cure coming out and things getting better? I would really like to hear from you guys down in the comments section. Personally speaking, I don't see COVID going away anytime soon. I do think it's going to be here for the end of the year. So I'm going to start to do my eyes now. And I'm going to be using my Urban Decay Naked 3 palette, guys. I want my eyes to, you know, speak for themselves. I'm going to go in with Limits, which is this one here. And sorry, this one here, it's not shimmery. I'm gonna use it like as a base for my eyes. And I'm gonna go in now with Nooner, and I'm gonna use Nooner in my crease. Edges, I'm gonna go in with Strange, which is this one here at the end, because I want to keep everything nice and natural looking. I'm just gonna place it on my lid. I'm gonna place Brilliant right in the inner corner of my eye, just to add a little spice over there. Doesn't do too much justice. I think it looks so subtle and so nice. And then I'm gonna go into this color called Gilliston, and just gonna place it on the inner section of my eyelid. Go back into my Naked 3 palette. I'm gonna pick up Nooner again, and I'm gonna place that on my outer section of my eye. Alright guys, so I'm gonna do my other eye, and I'm gonna pop on my lashes, and then we're gonna finish up this look for date night. I will be back. Okay, so now that we're back, today I'm gonna be trying this Wet n Wild bronzer. I tried this bronzer before and I did not like it, and I just thought, you know, I'm gonna give it a second go and see what happens. So pray for me. Even now, I literally don't see any difference. Like, I don't see any. And I picked up a good amount because I want to make sure that it works or it doesn't work. And I really don't see any change, to be honest. So, yeah. So brown butterscotch, which is this. I think I'm going to put a little bit on. I'm just realizing I did not put on my lashes. Let's change. change that. I'll be back. So now I am back. I'm loving this lippy. I used a matte lipstick. I used a lip cream and 2 lip glosses to achieve this beautiful color here that I'm loving. My lashes feel funny. I don't know. I don't really like this lash that I have on. It's giving me like stiff vibe. I hate it, but guess what? We're gonna work with it. So we're gonna go ahead and set our face now. And then we're gonna let that dry. And now for the pastel resistance, I'm gonna change my top, put on my wig, and finish off everything. Okay guys, so I'm back. As you can tell, I have my hair done. I changed my lashes just because the other pair was just, I hate it. It's giving me stiff vibes and I don't like it, but I'm gonna add a little more highlighter because I feel as if I need it. Oh my gosh, she is shining. Round of applause to her. She is winning right now. And I think that is it. And that is it, guys. So this is typically what I would wear on, like, to my face if I'm going on a date night with me. And in my next video that will follow this, I will be showing you some outfit ideas for date nights. So stay tuned, you do not want to miss that. But comment down below, what are your thoughts on this look? I'd love to hear from you guys. And as usual, if you have not yet subscribed, I'm going to invite you to go ahead and subscribe now. It does help the channel out. And I'm just so thankful for you guys. We are here. We are at 400 subscribers. I couldn't have done it without you guys. I'm super appreciative for you guys, you know, to be here on this journey with me. So, if you enjoyed this little chit chat date night makeup tutorial / get ready with me, give this video a thumbs up so that I know that you guys like videos like this. And I will catch you guys in my another video. So, take care.
Lost inside my thoughts, and when I start to think, oh, the how close it starts.